this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the packet burst error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First, open Settings. Open Graphics. Open Quality. Locate VRAM Scale Target. In here, lower your VRAM to 70. Go down to Environment. Set Weather Grid volumes to low. Open your Start menu. Open Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Open Windows Security. Open Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Public Network. Disable the Microsoft Defender firewall. Now launch your game. If you want to re-enable your firewall, first go back to Firewall and Network Protection. Select Restore Settings. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.